In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Asana projects using Asana custom fields. This guide is crafted to help you streamline your project management by using custom fields efficiently within Asana. To begin, it's crucial to first identify the purpose of your custom fields. Take a moment to think about what information is essential for tracking your project, whether it pertains to project status, priority levels, budget concerns, or the specific team assigned. Having a clear understanding of the information your team needs to access easily will aid in setting up effective fields. The key here is to align these fields with your team's goals and ensure each field has a practical use. This step ensures that your custom fields are not only relevant but are powerful tools that facilitate your team's workflow. Once the purpose of your fields is defined, it's time to move on to creating these custom fields within Asana. Start by heading over to the Asana website and logging in to access your dashboard. After logging in, navigate to the specific project where you intend to add your custom fields. On your project page, look to the top right corner and click on the Customize button. From there, you'll want to select plus Add Field. This section gives you the flexibility to either create new fields tailored to your needs or repurpose existing ones. Choosing the right field type is crucial in this process. Asana offers a variety of types such as text, number, or drop-down fields, among others. Selecting the correct type will depend on the type of data you intend to track. Once you've selected a field type, give your field a clear and descriptive name. This will help everyone in your team understand the purpose of the field at a glance. If you decide to create a drop-down field, you're able to define specific options that reflect your workflow, like draft, in progress, review, or published. Defining these options with precision will make project tracking and updates more intuitive for your team. Finally, let's talk about managing and maintaining these custom fields. Regular reviews of your fields are important to ensure they remain relevant to your team's evolving projects and feedback. During these evaluations, remove any fields that are no longer useful or applicable. This will help keep your project management process clean and efficient. Furthermore, it's equally important to educate your team on how to use these custom fields properly. A bit of training can go a long way in ensuring everyone is aligned and using the fields to their maximum potential. And there you have it. These strategies will help transform how you organize projects within Asana, making your workflows smoother and your project tracking more effective. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more productivity tips.